Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to be sharing this week's recipe, which is it's avocado. We'll be making avocado hummus. It's summer right now and everyone's feeling the heat, and I'm going to be sharing an incredible, tasty, nutritious and scrumptious recipe of this avocado hummus. I'm pretty sure you're going to really love it. It's great for eating at home or when you're hosting parties. It's great with crisps, with carrot sticks, with cucumber, zucchini, with you can have it with tortilla, or you can even make it with your own crisps at home. This recipe is really easy, it's really quick. You can make it anytime. You just need some chickpeas, avocado, and as well as a little bit of tahini. But apart from that, you probably have all the ingredients at home. It's really quick as well. You just need a blender just to get everything blended together. It's a really quick recipe, so instead of buying your hummus from the supermarket, you can just make it at home, and you can store it in the freezer as well, so it can last you for months. So without further ado, come on, let's make this avocado hummus. Click the link in the description box for a full list of ingredients you require to make this recipe. To make the tahini, roast some sesame seeds on a pan with low heat. You want to roast the sesame seeds until they're slightly brown. Keep stirring continuously as the sesame seeds might burn very easily. Once they're done, you'll be able to smell a fragrant aroma, and they'll change color from white to slight pale or brown. Transfer the sesame seeds to another bowl and leave them to cool. While your sesame seeds are cooling down, open the can of chickpeas and drain the liquid. This liquid, also known as aquafaba, can be used to make desserts. Next, peel off the skin of all the chickpeas one by one. You want to discard all the skins. Once you've peeled the skin, dispose all the skin and keep the chickpeas aside. To make the tahini, add the roasted sesame seeds, as well as olive oil into your blender. Once it has been blended, your tahini should look soft, creamy and light brown in color, just like that. Moving on to the star of this recipe, slice the avocado into half and throw away the seed. Using a spoon, scoop out the avocado and transfer it to another bowl. Let's go make some avocado hummus. To make the hummus, in a food processor or blender, add in your avocados, chickpeas, tahini, ice cold water, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic, roasted cumin, and paprika powder. Now let's blend it and make this amazing, creamy, delicious avocado hummus. Look at that. Doesn't it make you hungry? Once you're done, serve your avocado hummus in a bowl topped with olive oil, chili powder, lemon, parsley, and some more chickpeas. You can serve the avocado hummus with some tortilla chips, nachos, carrot sticks, or use it as a dressing for your salads or wraps. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I shall see you again with another exciting recipe next week. Bye!